Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
So on today's day, we have unveiled the Skoda Slavia, which is the second product under the ambitious India 2.0 project. After the immense success of the Skoda Kushaq, we have now come out with the Skoda Slavia. So to tell you more about the Slavia is available in two engine options. Both are the petrol turbocharged engines. It comes in a 1 litre turbocharged petrol and it comes in a 1.5 litre turbocharged petrol. The vehicle is available in three trims, namely the Style, which is the top model, Ambition, which is the mid, and Active, which is the basic model. The car is available in 5 color options. You have the candy white, you have the brilliant silver, you have a carbon steel grey, tornado red, and the launch color, which is called as the crystal blue. Pricings of the car would be out on the 28th of February, and the vehicle deliveries would start from first week of March.
As you rightly know, Skoda are known to be very safe cars, very strong cars. And so also these cars like the Kushaq and Slavia are known to be very strong, stable and very long-lasting, durable cars. What's more important in this whole thing is now these cars are made more to accommodate the Indian customer. They're more in tune with what the Indian customer wants, beginning with the price point to also the features that the car comes with, the size, the sitting positions, everything is done taking the Indian customer in mind. Skoda, since the time it started in India, I think somewhere around